Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing an emergency kit for school. It would just be items that I personally like to bring to school, essentials, and just other things that I keep in my book bag. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So first we have Kleenex. I like to keep Kleenex in my bag, especially now with COVID, so I won't have to share the tissue box that's in the class if a teacher keeps tissue in their class. Yeah, just in case my nose runs or anything, I have Kleenex. So yeah. And then there's gum. Gum is very essential. It's my favorite. I have some right now. But yeah, this is the long-lasting flavor peppermint from Extra. This one's really good, and also Polar Ice is another good flavor. Yeah, it keeps me going through the day. Keeps me awake. I don't know, gum just does something for me at school, and it's really essential. Next we have headphones. I have my AirPods. I normally charge them at night as long as if they're not dead, then I won't charge them, but if they're like halfway or whatever, I'll charge them at night. But just as a backup, I keep my wires. Wires are always essential because like you can never go wrong with wires. I don't know, I wouldn't say they're better than AirPods, but they're like right there. Yeah, so I always keep my wires just in case my AirPods die. Next we have lotion. Keep lotion just in case, I forget to lotion a certain area, or if I'm rushing and I don't have time to lotion, I always have some in my bag so I can lotion when I get to school. Or yeah, after you wash your hands get ashy, so that too. And then I have spray. Keep spray. Where's the front? Oh, there it goes. I keep spray, always smell good. Vanilla flavored stuff is like my favorite. So yeah. Warm and cozy. From Pink, but yeah. Spray and lotion. I said spray and lotion. Oh my goodness. Lotion and spray. Okay, next we have the lip care. I use Palmer's cocoa butter for chapstick. It's really good. It works for me. A lot of chapsticks aren't really good on my lips. Like they make them, I don't know, they don't last, or like they'll make my lips, I don't know, they just don't feel good. So I stick to this and it works really well for me. And then occasionally I use lip gloss. Like now I use lip gloss. This one's empty, but I have backups. Well, it's almost empty, but yeah. This one's one of my favorite, and you get this from the hair store. But yeah. Next we have hand sanitizer. I have 3 different hand sanitizers, and I keep them all in different locations in my book bag. We have Bath & Body Works. We have Purell. And then we have whatever this is, but I know it's hand sanitizer. You can tell by the consistency. My mom gave it to me. I don't know what brand it is, but yeah. So yeah, keep hand sanitizer in different compartments in my book bag. This one I think is in the front pocket. This one's in the middle, and this one in my pouch, my emergency pouch. I always want to stay safe. Hand sanitizer, essential with COVID. So next we have masks. With COVID, these are really essential. You always want to have a backup, whether it be the cloth, cotton, or the medical ones. I prefer the medical ones and then the black ones. Yeah, you always want to keep some extra just in case it pops or you get some type of liquid or food or anything on it. You always want to keep a backup so you're not stuck with that scent or food or whatever on it. So yeah, I have a few in here, probably a little over 10. 10 plus in here. And next we go to the more feminine products. So I preferably use pads. I always keep at least 2 in my pouch, just in case, you know, your cycle starts and you don't want to be stuck with the same one all day. So I keep 2, and then I keep underwear, a pair of undies, just to be safe, you know, just in case you have an accident or a leak or anything. You can always change your underwear. And you don't want the fancy pink underwear. You always want to get like the Walmart or Target brand green panties. That's what I call them. And then next we have flushable wipes. I always want to keep those just in case. It doesn't even have to be for when you use the restroom. It could be for cleaning your hands or anything. You know, well, not cleaning, but just to like wipe them off. Yeah. And then you have deodorant. You always want to keep deodorant just in case you sweat a lot or whatever. Me personally, it's like, it depends on what I do. But for gym, if you have gym, this is essential because you're going to sweat. And yeah, you can always use the wipe underneath your arm and then apply some more deodorant. And then we have ibuprofen. I don't take this big thing to school, but like this is like the house ibuprofen. But I normally just put it in like a little Ziploc bag and stuff it in my pouch. And yeah, Tylenol. I know Tylenol and Advil carry the little cap things that's smaller that you can probably get away with better. Excuse me. Because it looks like chapstick, so you can probably get away with that. But I prefer ibuprofen, and I don't know if ibuprofen carries the small ones. I haven't looked, but yeah. And then I keep a snack. Normally I bring snacks to school, but it's always good to keep something when you take painkillers, because it's not good to take painkillers on an empty stomach. So I'll keep a go-go squeeze or applesauce or whatever snack. I prefer go-go squeeze because it's easier to swallow the pill with it. But yeah, any snack you prefer or whatever. And then next we have edge control. You always, well, I mean, depending on how you are, I keep edge control on me for the edges, you know. Most of the time, you know, they're laid, but they're like 50-50, not even 50, like 75-25. But yeah, you want to keep the edge control and the edge toothbrush. And then a hair tie as well, just in case the one that you have pops, or you're wearing your hair down and you end up changing your mind and you want to wear it up. You want to keep a hair tie just in case you have a just in case you have a hairstyle switch, you want to change your hair, I don't know. Yeah, keep a hair tie. So that is all of the items that I bring to school in my pouch, or just keep in different compartments in my book bag. This is the pouch that I use. It's a pencil case. I couldn't find a cosmetic / toiletry bag anywhere. I looked at Walmart, I looked at Target, like a reasonable sized one that wasn't too big and that wasn't like the regular makeup bag. So I just ended up with this, and it holds a lot more than I expected. It holds 2 pads, it holds my undies, it holds the wipes, it holds the deodorant, hand sanitizer, and my wires. So it's pretty reasonable. A lot of the other stuff you can just keep anywhere in your book bag. But yeah, so this is what I use. I got it from Walmart. Or if you prefer the toiletry or a cosmetic bag, you can always look on Amazon. I saw some on there. But yeah, so that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below of any video ideas that you guys have. Anything you guys want me to do, just let me know down below. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.